Okay, small video. We're producing electrical current, but the higher the rate of spin of the AC generator, seems like it's too high for voltage. So like, I have one small LED that's about 2.3 or 2.5 volts, 2.3 volts or 2.2 volts. Okay, so we need to slow this down to about 200 RPMs. This motor is 200 RPMs. So I can get another motor for this, and I'll buy one. I want to slow it down and reattach it to this apparatus. I want to see what the voltage produces when it's not at 6,000 RPMs. Okay, so that's a 1 ohm coil that has a 1 by 1 by 1 neodymium magnet in the center, and then that's a 12 volt 6,000 RPM motor, and it produces more voltage when it runs slower. So the faster it runs, the less voltage it seems to run. So that means that magnetism doesn't induce when it's moving really fast, which makes sense in a particle world of particles, which I believe everything is particulate. Everything is a particle, and there's several, I don't know how many, but several particles and species of particles in the atomic world, and atoms themselves are also particles. So like, there's subatomic particles and regular particles, but magnetic fields also have particles, like the magnet, for instance. So then there's a magnetic field induced into the coil when the magnet spins. Okay, and the magnet is set to ride with the run of the wire, so that north and south run with the run of the wire when it spins. So basically it generates 1 to 3 volts, and you can see that in the LED that is half wave LED. So it runs a peak of 2.2 to 3 volts, and then it runs less than that also, and it does light up the 2.2 standard LED on half wave current. So for every polarity switch, the LED lights up when the direction is according to the light emitting diode direction. So half the time it's not lighting up. So basically that's how that works. We charge it off this 12 volt, and basically I was getting 6 to 8 volts prior to this, and there's also a reason to believe that this has current draw, which is called current add, and it reduces the voltage that the voltmeter knows because it splits it between the LED and the voltmeter. So basically that is what it is, but it does jump up when you run it slower. It increases the voltage. So I'm going to get a motor and put on this that's lower RPMs. This is 6,000 at 12, and if I increase the voltage to 24 volts, the motor would run at like, I think it's like 24,000 or 20,000 or something, 18,000 or something like that. 15,000, I don't know. But you can double the speed of this motor. And basically that's it. I want to be able to get the voltage maximum, which means I'm going to have to run it slower, because magnetism doesn't induce at 6,000 RPMs very well. Thanks for watching.